Hey guys, this video is for people who just learned the Japanese Hiragana but still need some practice to read them fast. So in this video, you'll see some Japanese words in Hiragana, and then you have 3 seconds to read them before the solution is shown. The words will get more difficult towards the end. Can you do it? Let's go! Chi, shi, ha, mushi, koe, yume, fune, kabe, ika, ushi, same, neko, wani, denki, kami, ritsu, hige, hidari, mikan, usagi, suzume, nihon, shizen, shumi, seifu, tenki, kagaku, azarashi, hiru gohan, kyūryō, unten menkyō shō. Good job! Were you able to read the last one? Maybe it was a little bit mean. Usually, long words like this would be written with kanji. But it's a good practice. Alright, please take the time to like the video if you want, and maybe even leave a comment. And thank you, see you in the next one.